Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uli Young Jane. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Cute.
A cutie. Wow.
Hey. What? Huh?
Wow.
Oh, apa lagi?
Wow. Should Mama bring more?
Ini apa ni? Tiada. Cu, apa cu? Apa kata? Cu. Apa cu? Ada semua.
Come to Mommy. You want to come to Mommy?
Good morning, Young Jane. Good morning.
Oh, cutie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uli Young Jane. He's smiling.
I need to see smile. Where is your smile?
Up now, not smiling.
Where is your smile?
Oi.
Where is your smile?
Ignore. Your skirt. Your dress. What did Mama do with your dress? Youngji, birthday gift from Daddy. Daddy's birthday gift for you. All your characters. all your Lego
partying your
characters.
birthday party.
Youngji, your birthday party. Birthday party. Some given some characters for cake also, no? वो भी आएंगे. So it's 11, almost 12 o'clock now, and we are going to head out for Young Jay's birthday. He's ready and we've come down. No. So it's springtime and now he's too into plucking these flowers, which are a big headache for me, which is a big headache for Mommy. Guys, his mood was really bad when we were leaving. Actually, he didn't sleep much. So we have reached our hotel and Young Jay is quite excited now. We are checking into Hayat Andaz at AeroCity. So this is our room. Before Young Jay spoils everything, let me just measure. And we've got from the window we can see the airport and the runway. This is the view from the room. And then that's a nice lamp. Very nice lamp. The bedroom. Young Jay is not in a good mood because he didn't sleep well. We realized he woke up earlier than usual because of, I think, the balloons and the birthday song. So we are going to make him sleep now. This is the bathroom, which looks super nice right now. Subtle colors. Nothing bright like my house, which is good sometimes. This is the dining area. We are going to have a small party for Young Jay today. Another washroom for the guests. It's like a suite. So this is the glimpse of Young Jay's cake. It's on Lego theme. So and it looks quite nice. Actually, one of our neighbor makes these cakes. And I think this is the name of her brand cake making. He's very sleepy. He might sleep on Gonu's Godi. 3 planes have already gone by. I don't know if you can notice a lot of planes over there. Watch out! He's trying to put his feet. He wants Gonu to take off his clothes. Just pull his pants up. Let him sit. Make him touch from his feet. You can fold his, fold everything.
Oh, you're ready to go.
He wants to take off his pants.
So you're ready to go. You're ready to go.
No.
Cold water.
Youngji, let's go. You should have come. Bathroom mein there's a tub. We've got a room with a tub. You sit in that.
It's cold. Try.
Put his feet.
Cold.
He's like ready to go. So now we are heading for lunch. He's a bit tired and I think also hungry. So we need to give him some food and then make him sleep. And yeah. So we are going where? Cafe Delhi Heights?
Maybe.
Maybe we'll go to Cafe Delhi Heights. And this is the view of Aero City behind me. I'm sure some of you have already been, but we were just discussing that it's a great place to come with kids because other than the hotel also you have many things to do outside and many places to eat. And yeah. Yeah, Youngji is going to get wet today. I don't think so we can eat lunch. All everybody will see is a naked baby in some time. Suddenly it's going to come out. This is my lunch. Caesar salad. The weather is quite warm, so perfect with the bread. And they're waiting for their pasta.
Broccoli.
And by the way guys,
Broccoli?
his pants got wet, so he's sitting without pants. There. We've just covered him with his wind cheater and the pants are drying over here. Good job! Strong. Strong yeah. You too.
Oi.
The prince is waking up. Has woken up only. Youngji, happy birthday to you. Also, I might say pink cheeks with pink t-shirt. My god, his cheeks are so pink. Pink hote hain, pink. Like mine get like reddish. His are so pink. You put blush? Have you put some blush on your face? Do you have some blush on your face? So, guys, we have our first cake from the hotel that they both are already eating. And we ordered coffee from Starbucks after a very long time. Which actually fell once, so some of it came out, Gonu, but it's okay. It's actually fine. And this is my decoration for Youngjae, and I will put these flags around this table. I've been saving these decorations since his first birthday. On second birthday, we didn't get to use much. I only used the flags, I remember. But yeah, still going strong, which is good.
아들아. Yeah, slow. Slow.
Second round in the evening. We've done our shopping. A little bit from Miniso and 24/7. And yes, Youngji is super excited. I can see. Yeah, I knew this was going to happen.
User heat sensor. चलो आ गया.
He really thinks there is sensor. There is no sensor, na?
ये अपने आप मीटिंग में है.
And now this is how he's going back. Youngju, cover yourself. You covered him in Ghanu's jacket.
Don't sing. Don't sing. Okay, we're not singing. We're not singing.
मेरे को लिस्ट पे लगाओ ना फोन पे या कहीं हैप्पी बर्थडे हमें नहीं गाली दे रहा कह रहा है बेसुरा गा रहा है.
So guys, party is over and Youngjae had a lot of fun.
आजा. लगाए सुना.
He was super excited throughout the whole party, like super excited. I think because of new space and lot of people. And he had a lot of fun, which was good, but which also means that mommy and daddy are super tired now. Hosting and then taking care of him. He didn't even eat properly. I think he just hogged on chips. Like I could smell chips from his hands. Anyhow. But we are very tired right now and it's almost 12 o'clock. But he wants us to take him out for a walk. Since we are here, we are pushing ourselves to do it for him. And since it's his birthday. But yeah, as soon as we get back home, or sorry, to our room, I'm just going to relax.
Yeah,
We are going to be here for another day tomorrow, which is a very good decision because we need to relax ourselves after this. So we are going to just relax tomorrow. Yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll be covering both the days in this vlog, our complete staycation and what we did. So see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys.
Nice, yeah.
So we woke up very late and then rushed for breakfast today morning. And Youngji is currently enjoying his watermelon.
왜? 뭐가 마음에 안 들었어? He didn't like something.
What? That you made him jump from there till here.
Mom is working. Youngjae is playing, watching outside.
Always wants to be around water. He's taking daddy over there because I think he wants to walk till here. But Ghanu's wearing shoes. I think he wants to walk on this. But you're wearing shoes, so you can't go. At least it's going back, not in front. Look at him. Shoes. So guys, we have come for lunch. We usually go to Cafe Deli Ice, but Youngjae got us over here. Mesa Wine Bistro.
Yeah, thank you.
This is the pizza. And the steak looks really good. So I'm just taking this video and we'll give you our review after eating it. But it looks great. How is it? It just looks so good. I can just imagine how good it is in reality. With some cheesy baked potato. Super tasty, na? Gonu is not talking. Gonu, how's it? Just tell everyone once.
BGB, they're going for second bite.
So this restaurant is quite empty because it probably is new or whatever. But guys, the food is really yum. We came here thanks to Young Jay because he just entered and then we just looked at the menu and we thought we'll give it a try because they also serve some tap beer which most other restaurants are not. And it was super yum.
Can you taste my beer, please?
So we are done with our lunch and heading back to the hotel. Young Jay is tired, so he'll sleep. Actually, we are also very tired. But I just wanted to show you. Just look at him. The way he's carrying his teddy bear inside the t-shirt. This is one of his favorite toys these days. One of his favorite teddies. Yeah. Young Jay. So guys, we are back in the room and very tired. Just want to sleep. That's it because we had a very tiring day yesterday. So and I just want to relax in the second half. So don't want to continue shooting the vlog anymore after that. For today, I mean. So anyways, so going to end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching Young Jay have fun on his birthday on this staycation. And yeah, if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also want to announce our last video's giveaway winners. The giveaway winners are at 123 and at Capricorn Star. We've selected 2 and based on your comments you will be receiving your products and we will be sending you or replying to your messages in the last video and letting you know separately too. So yeah, and thanks for participating in the giveaway. We will try and do more such giveaways later and so you all can have a chance again on winning some nice Korean products. So yeah, that's it and have a great day. See you in the next vlog.